Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a 1991 Jeep Wrangler. Beautiful truck. It's got the coveted 4-liter automatic and cold air conditioning. I think it's a 2-owner truck. Super original. No rust. Hardtop. Automatic. Tires are like brand new. Runs fantastic. These are very hard to find in this condition. Super straight body. Runs fantastic. Unbelievable condition. Over a new one all day long. And look at this interior. I just don't see them like this anymore. There, tilt, automatic. $113,728 miles. Man, nice air. Never seen one with air. Working clock. Look at that. All stock too, not lifted or anything. She is, Coveted 4.0. Will run forever. Battery. Again, all stock. Power brakes, power steering. Windows go down like butter. Gorgeous interior too. Man, just don't see him like this. Tons of receipts, owner's manuals. You guys can check all this stuff out online. Yeah, all kinds of good stuff. Original dealer paperwork, tons of registrations. Man, I can't believe the clock still works. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Give me a call, smash that subscribe button, 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.